Hello, my name is Abhilash Vikot. I I discuss today puzzles, that is reasoning for related to bank exams. First question we will study. First question that is tell that there are nine persons J H I J K L M N S sitting in a row facing south. Equal number of persons sit to the left and right of G. See, there are 9 persons and they are facing south. South means right will come here, left will come here. This is south. G here 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. We will take two possibilities 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. This is left, this is right, this is left, right. Okay. Equal number of persons sit to the left and right of G. Only two persons sit between H and I. So this is I who relate to I, who sits at one of the extreme ends. See, I is here, 1 2 H will come here. I is here, 1 2 H will come here. And they said that M sits 5 places to right of L. L right M 5 places. Okay, this is first information. Second is N sits one of the extreme ends. N will come here, N will come here, and does not sit adjacent to M. J sits fourth to S. J sits fourth to S. G sits second right of K. Here is K, left right, and K, left right is G. Okay. Next we will try to place L. L here 1 2 3 4 and 5, and L here 1 2 3 4 and 5. M here. And they said there are J and S. J here 1 2 3 4, S here. If we place J here 1 2 3 4, S here. We cannot place J and S here. J and S here we cannot place. If we place J here, it will come here. This second position. Or if we place S here, J here, this will become second position. So this possibility become wrong. This possibility is correct, and all are facing south direction. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, and right, left, right, left, and right, left. This is the correct arrangement for the given question. Next we'll move to next question. In this they have said that there are 5 boxes MZ, NZ, OZ, PZ of different colors. Colors are grey, orange, purple, brown and white. Arrange one above the other but not necessarily same order. See, we'll write the informations. First is the orange color box is placed below MZ. MZ is there, no? MZ below orange color box is placed. Second is OZ is placed below purple color box. Below purple color box, OZ is placed. And third is 3 boxes are placed between white and MZ. White and MZ, 3 boxes are placed. Fourth is the same number of boxes placed above MZ and below OZ. Okay. Fifth is OZ is grey color, as then given in the question. PZ is placed brown color below, and QZ is placed above brown color. These are immediate. See here, below means not immediate or just below, it is just below. Okay, we will try to draw the diagram. 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, here we will make the 2 possibilities. This is first possibility, this is second possibility. Okay, first we must take the big one number. Take white here and MZ here, or MZ here and white here. Okay, next we will take this we must place Brown here. Below Brown there is PZ, and above is QZ. It must be immediate. Okay, Brown here, this is QZ, this is PZ. Okay, the next is this is over, this is over. Above NZ and below OZ. See, we place OZ here, the one above, and NZ here. See, they what the above NZ is 1, 2, 3. Above OZ are 3, below OZ 1, 2, 3. This matches. If you place NZ here or OZ here, above NZ there are 2 persons, but below OZ there are 3 persons. So automatically this possibility becomes wrong. See here, above NZ they told 1, 2, 3, and below OZ there are 1, 2 and 3. Okay, we'll move to the next step, that is OZ likes grey. OZ likes grey, and below MZ there is orange color, and below purple that is OZ color. This is purple. Okay, this is the correct arrangement of the given question. By using this information we derived this arrangement. This is the correct one. Next we will move to the next question. Next question is, there are 6 members in the family A, B, C, D, E, F around a circular table facing inside. See, we'll take here circular, 6 people are there. Facing inside. This is right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. We'll take another possibility here. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. See, then next they said that there are 3 generations. See, in this it is puzzle as well as blood relation. And 3 generations. 3 generation is there. This is information given. Then A is second to left of his son. A sits second to left of his son. Only 2 persons are sitting between F and his father. B is daughter-in-law of D. See, B is daughter-in-law of D. See, in what happens in blood relation is, first this represent female and this is male, and this line married, and single line shows sibling. Okay, we'll try to draw the diagram. See what they said, B is daughter-in-law of D. Daughter-in-law means she is female, married to male, and he is son of D. He is son of D. He is son of D. Okay, and they said E sits second right of his nephew. C's sister is immediate neighbor of C. C who is male. They said C who is male. D is mother of E. D is a mother of E. E is come here, and C is married. C is not married to D. C is not married to D. D is mother, means female. Here male will come, and C is not married to D, so automatically C will come here, and F and his grandmother immediate neighbor of each other. See, F is grandmother means F will come here, and grandmother is D, male A, E is not married. They see. E sits second to right of his nephew. E and C's sister is immediate neighbor of C. C. This is sister according to that sentence. And they gave E sits second to right of his nephew. Nephew means boy. Okay. We'll try to draw the diagram. First sentence, we'll take A is second to left of his son. A's son is C. C. A is second to left of his son. C here will place second left 1 2. A here and C here and A here. This is over. Only two persons sitting between F and his father. See, F is here. His father is C. Two persons C. Okay, C 1 2 F come here. 1 2 F comes here. Okay, and then next is what they said that E sits second to right of his nephew. E sits second to right of his nephew. See, then E sits second right of his nephew. C sister is immediate to the C who is male. C and E are together. Can place C E here also, C E here also. Okay. Then next they said that D is mother of E, F and his grandmother immediate neighbor. See, F and C are immediate. F and C are immediate neighbors. F and C are immediate neighbors. F and C will come here. F, what they said, C is not married to D. F and his grandmother are immediate neighbor. F is here, grandmother is D. F is here, grandmother is D. They are immediate neighbors. This is D come here and D come here. And another is B is daughter and only two persons sit F and his father. B is daughter D. E sits second to right of his nephew. E sits second to right of his nephew. F is nephew. E comes here. C sister is immediate neighbor of C. C sister is immediate neighbor of C. D is mother of C. C is not married to B. C remaining is B here and B here. This is a right. This is right arrangement for the given question, because C E C and the F should become D here. Okay, this is a right arrangement of the given question. Thank you.